abdominal work. The reason that we're lying down for this one is also just to have a bit of a rest, you know, take the pressure off your back instead of sitting, right? So find a nice comfortable thing to lie on, okay? We're going to start off just with knees bent like this. What I'd like you to do now is just reach one leg up to your chest, okay, and hold it for a while. Now if you can't manage that, you can always use a strap, okay, and then hold onto the strap and pull your knee towards you, okay? Hold it for a couple of counts, great, and now we swap sides, okay, onto that side, and excellent. And you do that a couple of times, at least 4 times to either side, right? The next thing you do after that is now you take your right elbow to your left knee, okay, and hold it again. Okay, the reason we hold it is because you're working a lot harder that way, okay, and release down. And to the opposite side, hold it for 4 counts, okay, and release for a second. Now do that as well 4 times. If you can manage more, please go ahead and do more. Right, the next one you can do now is that both knees come up, holding on, and you're holding up, you're lifting up your head as well, so you get a nice abdominal work and a nice stretch. Right, once you've done that for a bit, again 4 times if you want to, then we need to stretch it out. So lie with your arms out to the side, take your knees across as far as you can together, across to the side. Try not to lift your shoulder, okay, and looking away from your knees. Right, the higher the knees go, the more of a nice twist you get in your back, okay? Slowly come back up again to this side. Excellent. And again, just hold it as long as you can. Again, he's quite good at this, so you don't have to be as good as this, but try your best. All right, and back to center. Okay, and then if you really feel like doing something fun, you can fly like this.